Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure you have admin access and the company file is the one you intend to use. Once done, confirm the fiscal year, accounting method, and any prior closing date so reports align. Back up the file now, because exporting a general ledger can't be undone easily. Next, choose the exact date range you need, month, quarter, or year, so the generation step pulls the correct transactions without accidental omissions. You now open Reports, then Accountant and Taxes, and select General Ledger. Once there, set the date range and choose the detail level, summary, or transaction, so you see the depth you need. Make sure to customize columns to include memo, splits, and reference numbers if required. Use filters to limit by account, class, location, or transaction type. This narrows results and speeds review. Export options appear at the top. Pick Excel or PDF, depending on whether you need further manipulation or final. You finish by exporting the general ledger to Excel or PDF, and save it with a clear file name and date stamp for audit trails. Once saved, reconcile the ledger totals to your trial balance and verify beginning and ending balances match. This ensures integrity across reports. If transactions are missing or totals don't align, run the audit trail report and double-check filters and date boundaries. Make sure archived or deleted transactions aren't excluded.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.